This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying consent and explaining the sequence. This reduces anxiety and gets cooperation. Once done, seat the patient upright at 90 degrees, align the head so the occlusal plane is parallel to the floor, and place stabilized record bases. Next, fit wax rims to establish vertical dimension. Make small adjustments until lips have natural support. Make reference marks at the midline and incisal edge. These guide condyle records and help preserve reproduction. You now determine the occlusal vertical dimension using Fanatics, aesthetics, and freeway space. This sets how the jaws relate in function. Then deprogram the muscles with a leaf gauge or Lucia jig so the condyles seat consistently. Once deprogrammed, guide the mandible gently to centric relation and register it with a fast-setting bite material. Make at least 3 repeatable records to confirm accuracy. Make sure to document measurements and any midline or canine guidance landmarks. You finish by transferring the facebow and mounting casts on the articulator, then use your verified centric records to set the bite. Once mounted, check occlusion and compare to intraoral findings, if adjustments exceed 0. 5 mm, refine the intraocclusal record and repeat the registration. If records are inconsistent, reassess muscle deprogramming and repeat the procedure until you obtain 3 identical centric recordings. Remember, reproducibility is the key. When in doubt, redo the deprogramming rather than accept a questionable record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.